Hello? Okay, that should be working now. Great. Alright, what's up, guys? First stream. Let's see where we at. I've been looking here at the NASDAQ. Have the zone marked up. The new hourly just opened about 5 minutes ago. I haven't really caught anything in this afternoon session. I mean, we kind of had the structure here built up, but this support level right here has been pretty strong. Even if we do break below this area, I think we're going to struggle here. Let me just look at the day, right? It's been a pretty bullish day. Bearish month, but today's been pretty bullish. So kind of have a bit of a bearish bias here. So it's my first time streaming. I'm not very knowledgeable on this. I hope I'm doing it right. Might see me go back and forth between these two screens. Oh, 0 viewers, so who am I talking to? Well, let me just pretend, right? If anything, I mean, it'll serve good for a clip, right? If I'm able to catch a trade. So we got this 1 hourly right here, right? You got this bullish structure on the 1 hourly, right? Let's see. You have this breakout right here, and then we have price stop right here. Right, no more bullish energy after that. Rejection, and now price is just sort of hovering here in the middle, right? This new hourly candle. Doesn't really know where it wants to go. Would I be looking for buys? I don't know. These ranges are a little murky to trade on. I mean, typically if I was looking for a buy, look something like that, but the pullbacks are just not strong enough. Maybe here would have been a good spot, but that was at the end of the previous hourly, and I sort of have a rule that I don't trade. I don't jump into trade the last 10 minutes of a hourly candle. Just the rule that I have. I may break it from time to time, but typically I stick to it. Yeah, it's kind of a tricky area. We got this bearish structure, right? You'd expect price to just keep on coming down, but I mean, it's already 9 at night. It's already 9 p.m. If you're a trend trader, I know some of you guys probably looking for sales right here, and me, no. I mean, we're above both the VMA and the EMA. This zone right here, it's a pretty strong bullish zone, as you can see. I expect price to sort of touch up here and then maybe reverse, or it might just rally up, but I'm not sure if we have the volume for it tonight. Let's take a look at gold. Kind of a similar spot, right? I've noticed, well, as you know, Nasdaq and S&P, they're sort of move the same, but I've noticed gold has been moving pretty similar to the other two. So where are we at here? Let's see, let's go down to the 1 hourly. Let's delete, let's start over. Alright, so bullish day. What am I looking for? Here. Resistance, right? Yes, sir. Previous resistance, right? We broke through all of this down here, as you can see. Right. Broke above these zones right here. Been rallying up since Sunday. Will we continue? I don't know. We have another support area right here, right? That we're rejecting off of. There's just not enough volume to like push us. I mean, it's been 10 minutes and we've moved barely anything. 12 points, 12 pips. See, on the 1 hour it's clear, right? I mean, this right here is just dang it. Right. I mean, you'd expect that, but it's not any volume. And I'm probably just gonna do what it wants to do, right? These are just rules, right? But they're not always true. On a smaller time frame, you can see the support. We rejected, came back down, and then rejected again. Now we're coming back down. Might just range for the rest of the night. Maybe around like 3 a.m. or whatever time it is that London opens. We'll see some energy, but I think Asia session is pretty much done with for the night. Earlier might have been a good time, but well, no, not really. I mean, you rallied up here. This, you could call this a trend, but it's quite an ugly trend. I mean, if you were bold enough, you could have just entered anywhere, right? But I don't like to trade the market like this way. What is price doing? Gonna be flipping between the Nasdaq and the gold. As you can see, we're kind of following this trend that I marked up here. But will we break below this? That's my question. Like I said, some people did take positions here, right? Just following the trend. But I mean, that's not how I trade. Not typically. These are just too ugly for me. Maybe on the 5 it looked a little cleaner, right? Yeah, on the 5 the structure's there. But even then, I mean, we could have took a Fibonacci trade. Yeah, if you would have took a Fibonacci trade, would have been right on target. Would have been a nice trade. It's just, again, it's been a bullish day, so not too sure about the bias. This was a bullish candle, you know. I thought there's a likely chance that we'd go and touch up here, but I see not. Anybody caught that trade, good job. And then again, I mean, my VMA, EMA, prices above it. It's just rules that I have, you know, my strategy. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can break below here. If we do break below here, I get a candle like this. Maybe not a big bullish candle, but have price breakdown like that. I mean, that'd be nice. How big is this range? 22 pips. Points, sorry. I don't know. A break and a pullback to this area, and then a continuation. Maybe that could be nice. Where's that one tool at? There's a tool on here that sort of, you could draw out candles on the screen. Oh, ghost bars pattern forecast, I think. Let's see. No, it's not that one. Bars pattern. What was that? What's this do? Oh, okay, maybe these right here. Let's see. Get something like that. Right. It's a nice little tool right here. You get something like that. That'd be nice, right? Let's look at the 5. Oh, price is really choppy here though, so maybe not, but we'll see. I may or may not take it. We are below the VMA and DMA on the 5, so see what happens here. Let's take a look at it. At our ES. I was on here earlier before the stream, so I kind of already have my zones marked up. See, the structure well, it's a little similar, right? The Nasdaq did have a little more pattern to it. I mean, in my opinion, I think we have a lot of buy orders here. I mean, it's looking a little promising, right? I wonder how long we're gonna wait. I mean, it's already 9:16 where I'm at, so it's already a little late into the night. But we did touch this zone, rejected. We didn't have enough volume to go up. Rejected from here. I mean, we might get a trade here. Can keep following the structure. Looks a little too good to be true in my opinion. It's just how rangy this is right here. It is clean traffic right on this side, but I don't know. I feel like there's going to be a lot of stop orders right there. As we can see, this 5 just hasn't even broke below that. So we'll see. Let's wait and see. If not, I might just log off for today. Price may just pick up and do something like this instead. Right. Or it might just freaking rally, who knows? I mean, it's all just ideas, right? Support and resistance is it's an idea at the end of the day, right? It's time tested, but doesn't mean it's always true. It's just a way to kind of think ahead, think ahead, sorry. Yeah, we're building support right here. I don't know, the market's pretty dead at this point. Might watch it like every other 15 minutes or so, but yeah, I think whatever move was gonna happen already happened. I mean, there's enough volume to create all this, but it's just very slow. The afternoon, I mean, the morning and the afternoon wasn't that great either. Maybe so would have been nicer. I mean, yeah. It's okay. I mean, we're not in a rush for a trade. There's no rush to take a trade. It's just patience. Well, guys, my first stream. To whoever, nobody joined, of course. I mean, it's a new channel. But if somebody does watch this, welcome. And thanks for watching.